All right, a dumbbell or a kettlebell, either or, seesaw press is just an alternating press, one up. The goal is to keep the torso nice and stable, so lock those hips, lock those glutes, keep it nice and active all the way through. Make sure we're not letting the head tilt, make sure we're not shifting weight side to side. All right, a beautiful progression. We'll take it into what we call a Sas press. Feet are a little bit wider than hip width. Don't sink those hips, good and low, take it down low. You're going to press it up, watch that kettlebell. Bring it down slow and control. Pop it up. So we're getting some good hip mobility. Force that core to fire. All the way up overhead. Watch that kettlebell. And switch sides. Nice and slow.